bro.
So we could put the 50 on him, I guess, right?
Bro, appreciate you guys.
Yo, I'm trying to start posting more video shit, so
do the New Year's resolution.
Yeah, bro.
New Year's
I'm
resolution.
telling y'all, by the end of this year, bro, 500,000 easy, bro. There you go.
Yeah.
Appreciate
yo,
that.
save, yo, try save, bro. Woo! A little chilly. I don't know where to point this. It's a little chilly. Make it frilly. A little chilly. I head into the stew. Got some presents for the boy. He's doing a shoot right now. So you know what I'm saying. Can't forget the cafecito. You know. Shout out to you if you watched the last vlog. It was Dre's birthday. Not really sure what this vlog is about yet. Maybe Andy's shoot. We'll see. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with two hands. Let's take this, like, I wish you could see how I'm gonna hold it. Oh man. Alright. You was at the park?
Yeah.
Nah, that's wild. That's wicked.
Alright, when you find the pose, I need you to be exactly very still, alright? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you working without flash today. That's
No flash,
wicked.
no flash. 3, 2. Roll with the head back, yeah. Nah, this yo, low key.
This shit make you do this shit. Wait, what the music, bro? Bring that shit back.
I didn't like this song. Hi, I'm coming. I don't think he heard you. Whatever.
Yo, that scared the shit out of me. What's up, Nix? How you doing, girl? Hold on.
I don't like this song. He's bugging out right
What
now.
you smelling, mommy? Come here, mama.
That velvet.
Oh, I missed you
You
so
know what I'm
much.
saying?
Oh, you got such a big boob. You got over here. Nikki.
Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, alright.
Here. Right here, Nikki. Right here. Good girl. Mwah. Come here, mommy. Come here, mama.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, I got her. Mwah. Love this girl. Mwah. Okay, mama. I gotta put you down. Come on, baby. See, this is how I know she's scared of Ant. This, cause I know Ant be telling her, don't jump, don't jump. This is exactly what you. Here, you can take it. You earned it. You earned it.
Watch, she about to curl up in there. Watch. And then she gonna cry. Watch.
Why?
I don't know, bro. She got a weird obsession with that toy. She got some attachment. Look at this. Watch this
I feel
shit.
bad now.
Get this on the. Watch this shit, bro.
Now I feel bad. Look, you see how she curls up, right? This is
Yeah.
the wild Nikki on the scene.
Oh my god. No way.
Watch this.
What are you doing, fam?
She gonna curl up the other direction now. Oh.
Damn, I feel bad. I don't want to take the toy away from her now. She a good girl. She a good girl. Is there another toy I can play with her with? I smell like Nikki now. Alright, so that one she doesn't have an obsession with?
We gonna find out.
Let me see. Wait, does it make noise?
No.
What is this? Why does it look like that? Oh, this is some shit I'm gonna have to wash my hands after touching it. What the hell is this?
Well, this was
Ew.
peanut butter. I don't know.
Come
why.
here, girl. Come here. Look.
She fucked with that shit.
She like that one? It's because that one makes noise.
So why is she? I don't know why she cries for it. It's the most confusing
She's
shit
sitting
ever.
on it? Yeah, nah, I don't want to take it away from her. She like it that much?
Man's got it down to a science.
Yeah, no. Same position. You're not even in the middle of the bed, mommy. Come on.
It's like,
Like,
she's
that's not
guarding
maximum
it. Like
comfort.
she guarding this shit.
I see what you're saying. Because there's more, yeah.
What's going with you,
okay.
girl?
It's okay, baby. I'm not gonna take it.
Nah, take it.
I ain't taking it. I feel bad. I feel too guilty. I feel too guilty.
What are you making people feel guilty for, huh? Eh? Look at you. Stop bugging out for that. Yo, what you gotta say to the subscribers?
Make sure to cop this and that. Both colors.
Well, these are exclusive. Both of these, actually.
Cop the colors that are on the site.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the 40 people that actually watch. We appreciate
That
you.
ass. Yo, I was surprised. I was like, damn, 40 people really care that much about my birthday?
Yeah, that's what. Yo, we were just talking about it on here. I'm editing the podcast right now.
Yeah.
You know, it's the people that watch that matter.
For real.
This will be up
He was a
soon.
cool dude, man.
Yeah, shout out to Jacob.
Shout out to Jacob. Rest in two though.
Facts.
Come on, niggas. Look, this is how you get Ak.
Yeah. Hold up.
I don't want to break the computer.
That's clean. We gotta post that right now.
Okay.
Oh shit, we're on a timer. Alright, we're 8 seconds in. Let's see. Where is it? We got so many pictures, it's gonna be hard. Oh, you formatted it?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
So it's just.
Gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Gonna pull up the Lightroom. Okay, no, don't do that. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I feel like it's snack time, bro.
Snack time.
Yeah, I kind of want to go to Seb. Get some coffee and some.
Oh yeah, this is the thumbnail. I forgot about this. Wait, we on a timer though. We on a timer.
Oh shit.
We gotta post this. So I gotta upload. Where is it? Videos. Boom. The last two. Review. Add. Let's go. Copy the preset, you know what I'm saying? That's what we got presets for.
Oh god, no, we
God.
don't. We don't do
That's-
that.
That's not it.
You want Chain to work the magic for 2 seconds? Oh jeez.
There we go. Boom. It's too warm.
Yeah.
It's way too warm. You gotta cool it
Oh,
down.
that's nice. That's clean. That's clean.
Oh, I like the green a little bit. Boom.
Nice,
Copy.
nice.
Boom.
Uh-huh.
Boom. A little bit of film grain, you know. Less clarity. Less texture. Alright. Where's my phone?
Isn't it the timer? Oh no, it's right here.
Okay, we're a minute and 30 in. So Instagram.
Well, we gotta
And 40.
subtract like 2 seconds. Cause I came and I distracted.
No, we don't. You're hyper focused.
Boom. Okay. Let's go. Boom. Export. Export it! Come on. Okay, we're done on this. We're good on this. Boom. This is holding us back, you know what I'm saying? It's a raw file, high quality, so it's gonna take a little bit, you know what I'm saying? My phone's
a little dated and whatnot. Oh, it's rendering. I'm saying export it. Boom. All right, now we go to the Insta. Wait, you're missing out.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Switch over to that. Boom. Boom. Bam. Photo. Where's the camera thing? Boom. Boom. Oh my God, let's do it.
Damn, you a popular
Boom.
man, bro.
Boom. Ciao. Hold up. Down.
Doubt.
Boom. Ching.
Ooh.
Ow. Time. 3 minutes.
Hey, let's go. Good
3
shit. You know,
minutes.
2 minutes 58 seconds. We gotta subtract those 2 seconds. You know what I'm saying?
That's clean.
Oh, yo, I got tagged.
That's clean. Let's go for part 2. Boom, boom. Zoom in. I wish we could get a little bit of with the hands though. Boom. I don't know. It's tough. Tough to compose this one. Cause I kind of
Yo.
This is it, yeah, right?
I kind of like the way you had it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Or the other way?
Do it the other way again. I liked it. Yeah, that looks wavy.
That one, right?
That look wavy.
You can see the laptop, the photos.
Yeah.
Bada bing.
Yeah. Nice.
And you know what I'm saying? Just for shits and giggles, we're gonna put WM. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's not on there,
I know.
we're gonna put it there anyways.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me see something real quick. You mind if I try
You
something?
know what I'm saying?
Okay, hold on. Y'all can't see this part real quick though. Hold on 1 second. This part is a secret. I bet. Here we go. We got it. Look, check it. You see what I'm saying? Schwavy.
He said this part is
Where we gonna put it?
Yeah.
This shit is idiotic, bro. Alright, bet.
Oh my God, that is hilarious.
Sway.
Hold on, wait. This part is a secret.
Oh shit.
This part is a secret.
Oh.
Hold on. This part is a secret.
Oh wait, no.
Yo, I'm looking right at that shit. No. Oh shit. What if we right? Hold on, bear with me real quick. Bear with me. What if we put it behind this shit, right? So it looks like, alright, so check it.
I got you.
Yeah, so I'm gonna throw this here. I'm gonna put this like over here, right?
Yeah.
And then it looks like it's gonna pop out, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. Alright, so it goes. I gotta make this a little bigger, right?
Hey,
Wait,
that's
hold on.
fire. A little lower. There.
Yeah! Hey, that's how you do it. That's how you do it, okay. Oh!
Look at him. Up in the shit.
I ain't do it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yo, coffee? You see what I'm saying, right?
De verdad.
Pero man, ¿eh?
No
fuimos.
Coño, pero I should have got a large.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
These were the same exact price.
I told you.
Or maybe he just did that, you know.
Did it? Yeah. Yo, one day we gotta find that anime. We gotta figure out the premise, bro.
Cause that clip was
no
hilarious.
Bro. What is the premise to that shit, bro?
Bro,
That shit,
send me the clip again so I can insert it in this.
that shit
he
was
said-
incomprehensible.
Wait,
bro.
what was it? It was like
They
two.
were literally, it was 2 people and they were fighting at astronomical sizes to the point where their fucking spiritual manifestations literally were encompassing the entirety of galaxies. Like, we gotta insert the clip, bro.
And then they say what?
That's exactly what it sounds like. And bro, for like 3 years, I had no idea what duriru meant. So I pulled up to my boy, right? He says he speaks Japanese, right? I'm like, what is duriru? For 1 fucking month, I mean, not 1 month, a year and like 3 months, some shit like that, right? One day he found it. And he was like, yo, that shit means drill. I'm like, what?
Oh, they were giant drills, weren't they?
Yeah, they were giant drills. I was like, yo, that makes sense. I was like, that makes a lot of sense. That's perfect.
So are we about to listen to that duriru?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Let's listen to some duriru.
You want me to put the clip on? Or you want some duriru music?
Some duriru. I'm trying to get sturdy.
If that's what you're trying to do, yo. For everybody that's watching this, all 23 of y'all, if that I did have a drill essentials playlist, right? And it's literally just straight DURIRUUU music, right? Hold on, let me adjust. Take a look here, right?
Yeah.
How many
Hold
hours?
up, pull up right here. Let me get sturdy on the Gala food parking lot and put this shit loud.
Hold on. All right, so part 2, do you want to tell them what happened? Because I don't want to tell them. I'm embarrassed.
Yeah, it didn't record. So we gotta do DURIRUUU,
Part 2.
you know what I'm saying, at the spot.
But yeah, like I was saying, I have a playlist of drill essentials, right? 3 hours and 10 minutes of literally just straight drill, bro.
Let us know if we should import the link.
This is my favorite song on the playlist so far. Yeah! 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 This shit. Yo. God damn, everybody in the hood over here today. Shit.
Fucking with this spot?
Yo, this spot is mad popular for no reason. I got no idea why. But everybody be here trying to get tacos, bro.
What's it called? Mi Poblito?
Tacos mi poblanita, I think. Let me get 2 sopes with chicken, no sour cream, no tomato cheese.
No sour cream, that's a fact. Don't fuck with that sour cream out here.
Damn.
On this side of the Mississippi. Yo, hold up.
You got it?
No, do it again. That's funny.
You got it?
Yeah. See what's up with these. What these talking about. Okay. You
Ooh, damn, they give me mad lettuce.
know what I'm saying?
You want some for the fries? You want to dip the fries in this bitch?
Yeah, facts. A little bit of garlic salt. You know what I'm saying? Yo, comment below what type of fry eater you are. Are you on the side or you do this like me? Ooh.
I'm more of a on the side.
Ooh.
I actually never had sopes before.
Looking right. Healthy? Shout out to Mi Poblito. What's that shit called?
Poblanita.
Oh, wait, word.
Mmm.
Cheers. Huayta. Alright. Yo. Catch us on the next video log. And nos fuimos.
Nos fuimos.